Hey YouTube! Welcome to the second episode of A Day with Dudi. It's a new series that's going to be coming to my channel. You guys saw the last episode, so basically the gist of the whole idea is to have you guys doing what I'm doing in one day. So most of those days might be a day in my weekend, a day in my week. So it's like a mini like vlog series that I'm going to be doing instead of always doing vlogs or like working on the car or whatever. Just something interesting so you guys can see what I do in a day. So this is our second episode today. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to go pick up a front bumper for my Honda Civic. I will show you guys why. I have a big hole in the right side of my front bumper. So I'll show you guys what happened and I'll explain everything to you. The front bumper it's kind of far away. It's gonna be like almost an hour from my place. Sorry about that, my mom just called. So yeah, I was saying that the front bumper is about an hour from my place. We're gonna go grab that. It's called Kenny's, so we have to not unbox, but like take it ourselves apart and everything. So we're gonna do that today. I might do a separate video on the install of the front bumper because it's kind of chilly today, and so yeah, we're gonna go do that. I won't be able to take you guys along with me during the drive because like I said in my last video, my mount broke, so I'm gonna need to buy myself another mount for the car, but I'll meet you guys over there. I'm just gonna turn on the key for my car right now, but basically I have to bring my own tools. So right here in the back you guys can see some tools I brought, and so yeah, so we're gonna go grab that front bumper and I'll see you guys in a bit. So we made it to the junkyard. As you guys can see, many cars are parted out. So that's a net lancer for you guys. You guys can see the valve cover inside the head. You guys can see the valve springs right there. But let's get to more important and serious things. Where we came from before the Honda Civic, before the front bumper. As you guys can see, it's not that bad. Mine is worse. I have like a giant big hole right here. This one doesn't. It's a beater car too, so we try to do our best. So let's grab this bumper, guys. As you can see, the car's been stripped down. Let's take a look at the inside.
Uh-oh!
Now that is just nasty.
So yeah, let's start working.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you.
Alright guys, so we're gonna be heading back home. Like I said in the video, we're not going to be going with the front bumper since on one side the brackets were broken. So with no brackets we can't hook the bumper to my car, so that won't work. So yeah, we're going to be heading home. Before we finish, I will show you guys what's up with my front bumper, why we're looking for a front bumper right now, the big hole that I made. I'll explain the story real quick, and we're gonna wrap this second episode of A Day with Dudi. So I hope you guys enjoyed. It wasn't anything too interesting. It was only a ride to the junkyard with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. So now we're gonna be driving back home. I'll try to see if I can take some footage for you guys on the way there. But like I said, my mount is broken. But I'll be getting one soon though for the car. So stay tuned, guys, and see you guys home. Take care. guys saw what happened out there with the giant hole. So yeah, I was driving my car in minus 35, minus 40-ish, and you guys know the garbage trucks, their jobs, they pick up garbage and then throw the garbage can into your driveway. Well, instead of getting that driveway, they got my car instead with me driving at 60 kilometers an hour. So that happened, and it was pretty cold. So it's plastic too. You guys know when it's cold, plastic gets really rigid and fragile. So it just punched a big hole in there and ripped off like a huge piece of my front bumper. So yeah, so I have no choice, but I need to get myself a new front bumper. People keep questioning my driving. I mean, it's pretty funny. I shouldn't be laughing, but like people think I drove into a snowbank, but no, I did not. It wasn't understeer. So today we did not get the front bumper at the scrapyard. I will be searching for another front bumper for sure. I want to get one before spring, so like March, April. I'll be looking for one for sure. Also we need, before spring, not before spring, when it gets better too with the temperature wise, I'll be performing an oil change on this car for sure. I have some rattling coming from the left side of the engine bay. I need to figure out what's going on there too. And then the Civic should be good. I will, when it gets hotter, I'll try to make a better video so you guys can see what I'm working with, and you guys can see my daily too. Before I go, I got parts from Japan. I got myself, not parts, but thing concerning the MRS. I got a huge poster with an MRS, with two MRS on it, racing on the track with the GT300 body kit. So the white one that most people are doing now. And also I got a TRD sticker. Well, not a TRD sticker, but like many TRD stickers. I'm thinking of doing a giveaway for those TRD stickers, but I'll be keeping you guys up to date with the information on that on Instagram. I'll write my Instagram below. So HeavyFoot, not hashtag, HeavyFoot_68. You guys should be able to find me on Instagram. But yeah, I'll be making a lot more of these videos, guys, of the series A Day with Dudi. And I know a lot of people appreciate having those kind of video, like those kind of vlogs, see what I'm doing in my in a day, instead of having me doing a full monologue on why to import a JDM or why JDM is the way. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. We'll be making a lot more of these, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was only me going to the junkyard and coming empty-handed, but I'll be making those series a lot more interesting when I get my car in April. But for now, guys, remember, in speed we trust. Take care, guys, and subscribe. Thanks.
Do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep. Never say you're sorry.
We about to turn it on.